after the game, I was especially with that pretty emotional. It just was because half times the boys sitting there. Now, meanwhile, there are still glimpses of hope that it's not that serious. So no, we don't have the final result because the scan didn't happen yet, and so we know more in 3-4 hours probably, hopefully, and Fabinho, no chance for the weekend. It would be funny when you all think, Liverpool is just fine with the situation and they don't care, and then they don't try. We try, but how you know, there's nothing to say until something happens, so we will see. And the situation yesterday, didn't make it easier or whatever, but it's just still we try to do the right things. If that's possible, we will do it. If not, then not.